I'm on another smallie on the Ned rig. It was awesome. Jackson casted his whopper plopper and it just missed his whopper plopper. I threw the deadly Nedley in after it and she gobbled it up.
I missed him with the whopper plopper. Greg got him with the... Greg threw over there and got him with the deadly Nedleys. The Ned rig. Ooh, that's a heavy fish. It's gotta be, come on, let me see. It might be 3 pounds.
It's a short fatty.
Nah, it'll be close to 3, but that's a good fish.
Yeah, it's good fish.
Ned rig.
It's a taker. We got a nice 15-inch smallie. Gonna let her go.